all right. I am in Falassarna Beach, and it's been a long time that I haven't been to this beach. We came here in winter and it was too windy and I couldn't make a video. But I guess this is a good time to show you Falassarna. As you can see, over there, that's the parking, and it's almost full. When we arrived a bit early, this was like full. People were looking for a place to park their car, so it is getting pretty busy here, but also windy. And the water in Falassarna is very clean. There are like two big coffee shop, clubs, places where you can get drink and you pay for the sunbeds. We figured out that with the sunbeds, those which are like close to the beach or next to the beach, it costs €300, possibly drinks are included, things like that. So in this video, what am I going to be doing? I will go to the Falassarna Beach is not just the beach that you park your car and you see lots of sunbeds and umbrellas. It's more, you can just still drive in that direction, and you will find small beaches, small little beach here, there, and I guess there is another beach which is kind of famous. So, but the point in this video is that I'm going to start from the very beginning of Falassarna Beach, which is considered officially Falassarna Beach, and continue walking till the end of it to give you an image and an understanding how this beach is. If you want to come just to entertain you, to hang out and to have a good time. Okay, so we got here a baywalk and we have some sunbeds and umbrellas in this side. I guess this is also the belonging of the same coffee shop and the same area. These ones in the front, they cost around 300, and the one behind them cost like 150, and behind them 40, and then 20. If you are in the very back, 20. I don't know if the same prices are for the rest of the places, but that's what one of the workers told me. So behind this rock there is still more beach, and there is small little area if you are into diving and snorkeling. Very nice area, very nice location. You can see lots of beautiful things and fishes. But obviously the beach starts from here, and you can see from here on it just continues. if these waves are happening elsewhere, it's considered like as a red flag. But because we are in Falassarna, it's all good. We cannot just put a red flag and stop the beach, you know, for obvious reasons. I personally found it way more comfortable to bring my own towel and just lay here at the beach and pay nothing and save that money for the petrol to make more travel. And the mountain that you see, right behind that mountain is Falassarna Beach. I don't know if it's possible to hike to the Falassarna Beach from here. It should be possible though, but yeah, that is something that I knew and now you also know. Okay, I'm seeing the guy who is working. He is wearing a t-shirt and it's written on it Dimos Kisamos. It means this area, this service is the belonging of the municipality of Kisamos, and the other one which we saw is private. So yeah. Also, if the wind is not blowing too strong, I will be able to fly the drone to capture some footage to give you a different perspective to the beach. But now that I'm getting closer to the end of the beach, what I'm seeing is if you would still walk, you can go a little bit further and there is another beach exactly same as Falassarna. I think it's not as busy as Falassarna is. So if you are into something a bit like relax and like to have your thoughts put together, then you can go to that one. And I can see there is somebody jet skiing. It means like there are also some fun activities and water sport that you can attend and do it. And if you would ask me, is it like worth it to come to Crete just for Falassarna, I would say, if you would put in your list Balos Beach, if you are a beach lover, and if you would put in your list like Balos Beach, Falassarna Beach, Elafonisi Beach, and there is another beach next to Elafonisi Beach which is called Kedrodasos. If you would add that to your list, of course, totally worth it. But I would suggest if you are coming to the beach, it would be much better to come early in the morning. That's where it's not too busy, and if you would come at this time, then you will stay until the sunset. That's also a good time. Yeah, Falassarna. But Balos, I will always suggest that you should go to Balos Beach early in the morning around. And if you are planning on buying a GoPro, bring it here to Crete for vlogging or for capturing your travel trips. It will heat up on you like it does all the time on me. So maybe you can go for another option which won't like stop on you. Anyways, this end of the beach seems to me a bit quieter. It's like less wavy. Okay, so we have here another coffee shop, another place, organized beach in the very end of Balos Beach, but you can still continue, and behind these rocks that you see there is another beach as well. So yeah, this was it for Falassarna. I hope I can get some drone footage as well, and if I am able to, then that will be at the end of the video after I'm saying bye. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and also leave a comment, share your thoughts, recommendations, suggestions, and if you have any places you want me to visit, leave that as well in the comment section. And if you want to support the channel and support me, the Patreon account link and my PayPal account link is in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace.